Amelia, are you pulling all the laundry out?
Hi.
Huh? Hi.
Hi.
Amelia.
Hi.
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 Hi. Hi.
Yeah, so I have all of this that is full of whites that I have to fold. She pulled out some of the towels. I just feel like everything is a giant mess. So let's start cleaning all this. Amelia. Hi.
Soundstripe. 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 Soundstripe.
Her little cleaning montage got interrupted by someone who thought they were going to take a nap, but she is quickly giving up on that. Can you drink your baba? If she doesn't take an afternoon nap, I'm pretty okay with that because that just means she'll go to bed better tonight. And she did sleep for like 3.5 hours this morning. And as you can see, we really haven't gotten that much done.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
Okay, so cleaning got derailed a bit more. I got some clothes folded and that was about it. Because Amelia just wanted to play and she wanted to be held and she didn't want to take a nap, but now she's tired. So we're just waiting for the kids to get off the school bus now. And then we have to run into town to the grocery store and get some taco seasoning because I forgot that. Hopefully Amelia will fall asleep for a couple minutes. And then we'll go home and we'll make supper. So my whole window of cleaning the house is kind of over until all the kids go to bed. But maybe Sophia and Xavier can help with some stuff when we get home. And then just get more stuff done in the time that we have. We'll see. If it doesn't get done, it'll be there tomorrow. As long as this little girl's happy. Are you happy? Are you happy?
Hi.
Are you tired? Night night. Night night. Hi.
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 Bye bye. I love you.
Hi.
Yeah, your ear hurts, huh? Poor baby. 1 minute later. She is sound asleep. Amelia. She's out.